Welcome to the Heavy Equipment Technology program. I'd like to show you a little bit about what our first year students are working on in the program as they begin their careers as heavy equipment technicians. We start with the very fundamentals, teaching them how to measure, use precision tools, file, drill, and tap. And they're putting this together and building an aluminum project. This project will include both coarse and fine thread holes that the students will drill to the correct size and thread using tapping tools like you see here. And in the end, they are graded on the precision and quality of their work. This project takes a significant amount of time and is the beginning of their introduction to the hands-on work in our program. The students are also learning how to identify the equipment in the program, looking the equipment over for serial numbers, identifying the year of the engines and emissions controls, and just learning over all the equipment to help them as they begin their careers as heavy equipment technicians. Please visit our website to learn more.